Welcome back, office executives. In this particular Excel problem set scenario, I will be guiding you on how to find out the sales of January, March, June, and August. Instead of referring the sale, we'll be referring the column names. So, what we traditionally do is that we give equal to, then we refer the sale. So January plus then March. In this way, we refer the sale to find out the sum or any kind of aggregate function. So in this particular Excel video, I will be guiding you, instead of using the cell referencing, we will be using the column name referencing, that is January, March, how to do so. So what I will be doing is that I will be selecting this range of cell, and from the formulas tab we'll be selecting this particular option, create from selection, and this particular option, top row, you need to keep this option checked and then hit OK. Now instead of writing the cell referencing, you can write equal to Jan, I press tab, plus MAR, March, I press tab, and then plus JUN, June, I press tab, and finally August, AUG, tab, and hit enter. So it's 121. Let's select January, then Mar. So while pressing and holding down the control key, I am selecting the cells, then June, and then August. So in the status bar, it is showing sum 121. So if you drag all the way across to the down, you can just autofill the rest of the cells. So in this particular Excel set problem, in this Excel problem set scenario, we learned that instead of referencing the cell values, we can refer the name of the columns. That's all for this short Excel short video. Thank you all guys, and happy coding.